We have published many useful add-ons over the years for Blender. Some of them are paid, and some are free as well. There are add-ons to create 3D comparison video from an Excel data. There are add-ons to help in modeling and animation. There are add-ons for flipbooks or city lights. Now we have grouped them into bundles with a huge discount if you purchase the whole bundle, so we're going to discuss about them. With our Easy Bend add-on, you can bend any object just as you wish, in any direction you wish. You can also twist or taper an object. There are a bunch of deformed nodes in our add-on to do this even within a geometry node tree. You can add multiple deformed nodes in a chain or keyframe them as well. And not just mesh, you can even bend a text object literally in every possible way as you see here. It's in fact one of our best-selling add-ons with 500 sales. You can easily create a brick wall with our brick wall generator, or convert any rectangular object into stone with a stone wall generator powered by custom options. You can wrap any object like this with a plastic cover. In fact, this add-on is free for everyone, or create a flipbook with our flipbook generator, or build a procedural queue created from your own objects, or a procedural fence with several custom shape and materials. Here we have another add-on which is free. It can flip pages from a book, and it has got a more advanced version as well with more effects and controls. Then there is this one, again in the free bundle, to add a bloom effect for any object. You can convert a color ramp node into more powerful super color ramp, or you can set up your camera with smooth motion, following a series of objects using our set camera add-on, or you can slice an object into multiple equal pieces with our simple object cutter. And finally, we have our 3D data visualizer, the one and only such product available in the market that can create a data comparison video based on an Excel file. There are many different animation styles and customizations, and you can add waving flags as well. This 3D data visualizer and several other useful add-ons are bundled together in this pack for creative arts. If you purchase them together, you can get a whopping 40% discount. There are 7 beautiful products here, including 2 of our best-selling add-ons. Then we have another pack for Blender artists with several useful modeling tools like Bend Geometry, Brick Wall and Stone Wall Generator, Procedural Queue and Procedural Fence, Simple Object Cutter and others, and you get the same 40% discount for these 8 products together. But if you don't want to spend right now, you can also download our free pack. It has got the free version of Flip My Page, along with 3 other interesting add-ons. You can find the download links in the video description below. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.